Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working after the patch in 2026. You can get access to a secret mod menu using an Animal Company promo code. Simply enter it into the computer in game and it is going to unlock the admin commands menu, so the mod menu. Guys, before I show you how to go ahead and get these mods in Animal Company, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always creating new tutorials as and when they're needed. So we had a recent patch. Many people are saying the mod menu is dead, but this method still works in 2026. So as you can see, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. Just use your mobile to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So if you haven't seen this website before, basically Cold Coupons is a game code website, and they actually have Animal Company promo codes on here, guys. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar and search for Animal Company, and as you can see, there are some promo codes on Cold Coupons, and these are really popular codes, guys. But there is actually a mod menu code on here, so this is going to give you access to the secret mod menu for free in Animal Company. And the best part about this, guys, like I said, it is a simple promo code that you can enter in game, and it is going to unlock the secret mod menu. So there's no external downloads or anything like that, or scripts to run. This is a simple mod in game, and it's going to give you tons of features like super speed, unlimited research points, and company coins, and more. So you need to unlock your Animal Company promo code. This code is locked, and this basically stops people from taking more than one of the codes. You can see that's a 666, the number of the devil. But yeah, there are now it's 665, but yeah, basically, guys, there's limited number of codes. So click on get full code, and you're going to see a new page here that tells you how to get your Animal Company mods promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So basically, guys, this is like a human verification. You just got to complete 2 tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and this basically confirms you as a real person, and it will unlock your code. So it's very important you do follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you choose. These are really easy things. Like this one is a mobile game, download then complete level 13. So you would click on it and it will take you to the App Store, where you basically just download that game and you have to play it until level 13. So just follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and your Animal Company promo code will be revealed. So it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons and your code will be revealed. You can redeem it, and that is how to get mods in Animal Company in 2026. No PC after patch. So working right now, guys, so go ahead, give this a go. Head on over to Cold Coupons, find the Animal Company mod menu code, guys, and just follow the instructions, and that is how to get mods. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.